What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day. If you're here for the first time, please go ahead and click the subscribe button, smash that for me, and click the notification bell, okay? So you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. I am back with Digital Wealth Pros. I've been in the program now 24 hours, literally, and I have some results to share with you guys, and I want to do a review on the system again, go over some more details about it. But this is going to be awesome, guys. It's March Madness leading into the summer of 2022. I think it's going to be a great opportunity for you guys to be able to make some commissions without you doing any selling or telling or explaining how this system works. The company has put together a video right here. I'm on the page, a 6-minute video. Okay, hang on a second. All right, a 6-minute video that explains it. Okay, and then if people have further questions, they have a call center, a professional call center, I may add. Of course, I spoke with them. That's how you get in the program. You cannot get in without talking to the call center. Okay, so they put this together so that you will have more time freedom. You don't have to deal with answering questions. Let them do their job. That's what they're paid to do. Okay, so this does work like a charm, let me tell you. Okay, so this system will allow you to make $200 commissions instantly, $400 commissions, and then $800 commissions is coming soon. Matter of fact, in 4 days. Okay, so if you have not got started in this program, you definitely want to get in. Okay, right now it's just 2 levels, and they have digital products, so it's the bronze and the gold. Okay, I mean, it's affordable for everybody. I think it's some great price points. This is low ticket. The $200 level is $297, and remember, there's no monthly fees with this. This is a one-time investment. There is no pass-ups. There's no one-ups. You keep all your commissions. Okay, and all you need to do is drive traffic, people. That's what traffic is. Drive people to your capture page. If people are interested, they will call the 800 number, give your referral ID, and then the sales coach will sign them up, send them an email, and get them on their way, and you receive your commissions without you ever speaking to one person. I think it's awesome. Okay, so perfect opportunity for a newbie or even a seasoned person. Okay, because this is going to be passive income. Just promote the program, send the traffic, and let the commissions come in. Okay, that's why I like it, so that I can focus on my other projects that I have. So you have a call center, guys, at your disposal. Think about this. Think about this. Wrap your head around this. 2 products. It's only $97 admin fee. So you paying closers $97. Okay, you can't beat that anywhere. Normally these type of programs, they want 50% commissions or 40% commissions, something of that nature. It's a split. With this, flat fee. Okay, you cannot beat this. So you get your call center. You have sales funnel already set up for you. You have autoresponder already set up. If you want to connect your AWeber or GetResponse or MailChimp, you can do that. Okay, otherwise your leads will go in the back office. Okay, and you're paid any way you want. Zelle, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, in the mail. You can get money orders in the mail, whatever you want. Okay, so they've tested the campaigns on these pages, so the pages convert, the capture pages that you get, and you have 4 to choose from, and they have digital products, eBooks, audio, and video. Okay, so that you can actually improve your business. Okay, so go check this out. The link is in the description, www.earnwithpandora.com. Okay, so this is a great way to earn online, being a newbie, or a person that never made any money online trying to do it themselves, okay, and answer people questions, this will be perfect for you. They stated so well here, 95% of the business is done. This system is pretty much together. Once you log in, you're marked as paid and you have your back office, you're just going to go in there, set up your payment methods, right? Update make sure your address and your email is in there. Your system is set up. You can start promoting, okay? So, I mean, this is pretty quick. I was able to get signed up the same day. I signed up yesterday, and within an hour or two, already had my information. I was in the system, okay? And I started promoting, and I have received a commission already within 7 hours of me signing up. We're going to get to that in a second. All right, I'm in the dashboard, and as you can see, this pops up every time we log in to remind people that's not at the gold level to go ahead and upgrade, okay, because you're going to be grandfathered in. This is very important. 4 days as the time that I'm recording this video, 4 days, 7 hours, 44 minutes, and 56 seconds. Okay, for you to take advantage of this. What does this mean? What they're saying is come in at level 2, which is $497, and they're going to bump you up to the new level, level 3, when it becomes available in the next 4 days, which is going to be the $800 level. So you can receive $800 commissions. Okay, guys? So it will cost after this date, if you decide, hey, well, I want to come in at level 3, it's going to be $997. You're going to save $500 just by spending $497 now, okay, before this clock stops. Spend $497 now, let them bump you up, give you the free position for $800 commissions. That way your position, whenever someone decides to pay for that 3rd level, you're going to get paid. And remember, they're talking to the call center, so you don't know who, when, what, why, where, when these people are going to do this. You're just going to receive an email from the call center saying, hey, you got a person that's signed up, and then you look in your email and boom, you'll have a commission. So this is a great system to get started in. If you haven't signed up for anything out there, this is the easiest, because even a postcard, when you mail a postcard, if your number is anywhere on the website or on the card, it's possible that people are going to call you, right? So if you're not wanting to speak to people, this will be the program to get in, okay? Now, come in where you want. This is just what's available, and it's a great way to go ahead and position yourself. Now, you can pay $297 and receive $200 commissions. It's up to you, or just right now go all in, pay $497 and position yourself to receive also $800 commissions. All right, so I'm in the dashboard. It's a very simple system. I like how they kept it really simple for a newbie. As soon as you get here, guys, just go here, click get started, and they've given a few little short snippet videos, like 35 seconds, 40 seconds on each one of these tabs. Okay, so go check that out, and then you will go and make sure you do manage payments. This is where you set up your payment options, okay, on how you want to get paid. Then, of course, you have your CRM right here. If you want to connect Aweber, MailChimp, GetResponse, you would do that here. Okay, that's there. It's optional. All right. Okay, just pop back up. Okay, then also to your left, you'll have your leads. Everybody that opts into your page, the leads will be right here. Your members will be right here. The products are here. I'll click this one. As you can see, it's 2 levels. Remember, you have your bronze, and here's your digital products. You have your gold level, which is the $400 level, and here's your digital products. These are products, e-learning, okay, products that you can actually learn something from and apply it to your business, whatever that business is outside of this, if you have another opportunity. And of course, here is your resources, where you can order postcards through a mailing company. They will do all the mailing for you. They'll put the leads and the stamps on it if you're interested, and they have a postcard already created for DWP. You can get an 800 number that's already tied into 800 link that you can put on that postcard. They also have the auto responder letters for you that you can use for your AWeber or Get Response. They have solo ad providers already here for you. Run traffic, guys, you can do that. And just send people to the capture pages. They have 4 capture pages as well. They have some great looking capture pages. Here's one of the capture pages. Take a look at this one. Okay, so there's 4 in there. So everything you need is right here in this system. And again, you never have to speak to anyone. Just drive people to the capture page. That's it. Okay. Okay, so let's get to the proof payment. Okay, right here, March 22nd, you see I received a welcome email from DWP. Okay, so that's what you'll get with login information. And then next came my other email for my sign up. Let me show you that. Now, this is the email you receive when someone signs up, when they're on their way to pay you. DWP sent me an email saying someone has a new team member. And in that email, it has the name of the person, their email, and phone number. Okay? And then what happens is they go in my back office and I mark them paid once I actually receive the actual payment. But this is the flow of how things go. All right, so now let me show you the actual payment that came in. Okay, so hang on one second. Let me show you that payment. Okay, and right here you can see the $400 payment that came in from Mr. Brown. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, guys, so that's the flow of everything. That's how it goes. So if you're ready to get started receiving $200 commissions, $400 commissions, and soon to be $800 commissions within 4 days, this goes away, this promo. They have a promo, okay? If you go ahead and join at that gold level, $497, they're going to bump you up to that new level, that $800 level that's coming in 4 days. I mean, it's a steal. It's going to save you $500. Okay, so as you can see, this is the website we get. Okay, watch this video, 6 minutes, watch it, then jot down your questions, then call the call center. Okay, come down, you're gonna see right here, make sure you give my ID right here, 442-89634. I put it in the description. Okay, and you click here. See, here you go. Call this number, 800-232-2109. Give my ID, 442-89634. If you do not reach them, make sure you leave your name, your phone number, my referral ID, and my name. And if you're ready to get started, just tell them, hey, I'm ready to get started. Okay? And so they will call you back, so just be patient with that. Okay? So, thank you so much for checking out the video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, let me take you out on this. Check it out.
You are about to be introduced to a 100% passive income generating opportunity that is unlike anything you have heard of or imagined. The bottom line is you can earn hundreds of dollars daily. We do the work and you get the big payday. And paydays are every day. This opportunity proves that we can deliver passive income to our team effortlessly. And just by you listening to this short video proves that the system works. Why? Because you are a product of the system. Lastly, this is not multi-level marketing. No selling required, no recruiting, no setting up websites. You don't even need a computer to make thousands of dollars monthly. Our professional call center answers any questions and closes the sale for you. And the best part is the startup price is so affordable and only a one-time investment. Remember what Warren Buffett said, unless you find a way to make money in your sleep, you will work until you die.
With that being said, be safe out there. Have a blessed day. See you on the next video.